Hi, I'm Bruce, and after a year of living in our van, me and my family began the next chapter of our lives, starting our very own homestead. The learning curve has been steep but rewarding, and 9 months in, we're back to collecting firewood and chipping mulch with our tractor-driven Deleks wood chipper. Subscribe! Hey guys, welcome back to this week's vlog. As you can see, I'm sat in my workshop, which is all sheeted, which feels amazing. I'm not going to be making the doors yet because I've had to order a welder and some steel. I needed a welder anyway for future fabrication projects. So this week is very much odds and ends kind of thing. I was umming and ahhing about maybe not doing a vlog this week, but then I know that there's some of you out there that like to see what we're doing no matter what. So this week it's going to be collecting wood, stacking it, and I'm finally going to be putting my Deleks wood chipper through its paces because we have loads of piles of sticks and stuff that need to be shredded, and then we can go ahead and put all the mulch in the polytunnel and our paths around some of the vegetable beds. So let's get cracking. Action! I'm gonna put that in.
What exactly is it that you're going to do whilst I'm doing all of this?
Get them up, and I'm going to talk to you in a minute. Don't stop mid-shot. That's very unprofessional.
Just the bounce, Bruce. I love that. I'll lift it.
Inch.
My whole life's like it's in the movie.
Anne loves all the vloggy shots. She loves that. Bring it in. Just dump them down there. To that side. Well done. Right, so now I'm going to explain to you what I will be doing.
Yeah.
Now that I've got that piece of YouTube gold. That's a bit of storm damaged Scots pine taken care of. There's actually loads. We've collected a fair bit that needed to be processed, but just all around the edges from storms and all that kind of thing. Probably got about a cord of wood just in that. Okay, that's as much as I'm going to get done now. Need to go in and make the kids dinner. But I'll stack all this tomorrow and then get the tractor set up ready to make some mulch. Okay, so picking up where I left off, a big pile of logs. So got a few more to split, stack them up, and I can get on with getting my wood chipper going. Soup break.
Walking bowl of soup.
Thanks, my love.
You're welcome.
I haven't really got much of a back press, that was that. Did you put any hot sauce in yours?
No.
Really good. We'll stack all that firewood. We might leave the firewood for a bit and just get on with a few other jobs,
Okay.
moving the pallets and all that. So that's everything stacked that I've done so far. I actually had somebody the last time I filled this up asking me how much wood do we go through heating the house, and this thing was full, like right up to where I'm sat now, and that lasted us about 6 weeks. But I feel like next year is probably going to be I think next year we're going to probably use a lot more because we've got a new stove coming that we're going to be able to cook on, and we're also going to be able to do domestic hot water, and by proxy more kilowatts going out, so more kilowatts going in. So I kind of thought that the pile of logs that I'd split was similar to last summer, and it wasn't. I've managed to about half fill this, and so that's like 3 weeks. I've got a lot more weeks to do, and I've also need to build a new lean-to on the front of my old shed to store more fibre, because obviously this doesn't have enough room in it. So less talking from me and more sawing and splitting. Okay, so today's the day where I finally get round to sorting the chipper out. I fixed my tractor. Probably didn't mention that the rev counter wasn't working, so I got that sorted out, which means I can get my PTO speed correct. But just quickly before I do that, I have to take off the little hitch that was made by the guy that owned the tractor before me, because the PTO won't actually attach. Okay, so went to go and hitch up, but the prop shaft is too long. It comes with a universal prop shaft, and it needs to be cut down to length. You're allowed to have 1/2 of it in contact, so we're just trying to work out how much I can cut off and still give as much contact surface area as possible. Massive thanks to Keith for fixing my grinder for me as well, one of my subscribers. What a legend. Let's try it. Right, testing time. Okay, time to test it out. We'll start with the thin stuff, shall we, and then work our way up. Yeah. That was awesome. Look at that pile of mulch. Still a load more to be doing, but it's getting dark and it's Thursday, so they said it needs to go out. I want to say thank you to everybody who has supported the channel, well, all of the time that I've been doing it. And I followed some of your advice and I have opened a Patreon page. So if you want to support me on that, then head over to Patreon/OffGridBruce and you'll find all sorts of things on there. I'm trying to work out what kind of extras I can give people on there. I'm totally open for suggestions. And if anybody has got any hints or tips, or they've seen me do anything wrong with chipper or anything like that, then I also greatly appreciate any input there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys next week. What are you doing?
Walking in nature. I don't know what it is about it, but every time I walk past it, I just want to get on and have a go.
You're as bad as the kids.
As good as the kids.
Yeah, that's true. Say goodbye.
Bye.